abusia for mpacha me ma munyina akwa abasan so mama tena se eba salvation era ene ukue de na ese nyame adom hu ye haide na ese wade de yankwa achen timi da wasese brand so yen so nya adaje na wo ba so onyankopon sha bebre mpacha e mu ne aba na ya akona du ya do me ne me sister
Jimaima Enfi.
I patch any edumadi and which am patch and fee say a discuss it. The 10 A's that can cause divorce through social media. I bear for your man, I bear friend social media. Platforms will be now my announcement where we do na ego na win him na minim yamena makwaso church ami and you do the 4th A toss of 4 and ne babe kasa from where approximation into yame adwam ni say brainy do pay ye bekwa papa ne na kwatwetwe nkomo na san na me so say bobode we share na obia ensa entumi nkabi wo hwe no obi so hwe no na eboan ma ensesanye etumi eba timesro Fronia, now soon young friend and young friend and yin I see yet to charge. Question be on my fafa comment, ye very dear be yano at the amount yamin shaw so any sa, and yet Miss Obepino, a baboshi, Yako and Papa, near no, a cock chicken come, near whom the eba, made us celebrate and come bia. Upon Pacha more cover. Pacha, I'm say, bear now trim in what church I mean whom you say, ye were some of the ACBA. And as a words be on my edi kan ya enam social media so a eden tawantawa mentem ho ase to the extent say there we go eba awawe mu enam social media yenhunu timpacha ne person ma ne atiefo hu approximation e the 4th A no as it share kra ne say no word kakrakai.
Okay, can we say approximation a bibia eni bibi ya ase ene ade no ebo ebra ne so anya papa.
Any bibi say
yes ase any bibi se any ade no enam lie so then so no e fake the mention with him say ye mfa ne se mutiri
ase papa enso
mutiri ye ni
Bachai
wo so wa hye rig ne me boana enu ntino utiri no wo utiri pa wo ana wa hye rig enti rig na e hye utiri mu no so no emma you won't say a wing, but it is not the rain wing. The rain wing is under this one. To be a winning Musuhuna, or because a wing. What I mention as it idea a sebibi. Emma Yitum, then so any papa.
It's near the bus social media now as
it is the act. What's it on? It's the act of something which people accept it, but it is not right.
People
accepted it, practicing it, doing it, which is not right. One, and Fatona, maybe man, Edins, my man, something like pornography. People watch pornography on the internet. People make love, they have sex on the internet. What they mention as it? Sebi, no best saneno. Or no one who has son no. Lenia den aje. But that is not the way and yami boss say. I will say the pound yeden. A son no. What I mention say. Ye the way and yami bo nipa say nipa won son no. That way. Ubit me de nipa on internet. And in the nipa ye in the real world. We do everything in this physical world. People do the same on the internet. On the social media. Thinking what they are practicing over there is good, but it's not right. People date. People go out. People do courtships. People do businesses. People do a lot of things on the social media, thinking what they are doing is right, but it's not right, it's fake.
Okay, let's admit it. What can you see? Obi ohono ma one bia ni kunu ana be ma one neti ana obo one neti men omu ye bibi ti say phone sex.
Yes. Obi was yeah phone sex. They will get their orgasm all right. Satisfaction and everything will be okay. But that is not the real thing God created said nipa and practicing. And because of that, I created a lot of problems. Obi no be share online, what's your phone sex. And phone sex, when they are doing, you know, say there will be a lot of acts. Act be brave, buy BC, we do this down home. Let me see this, let me do this, blah blah blah. What's the measure? And long last, na a be a nipa kwa worry fool. na do ne ne yes ade ne nya warefo ti wasi ni kunu chi na wasi ne yere chi ana one obi di sa empemu de agro no then later the person will use that videos and I said that pictures what are sabotage we no dem kan wetin ase na ba be creative no obi betima you should the same video na kwa partner se me yere ne Mama G ya na when you see that pictures no e dia Mama G with their black what me what the measure and answer me yere ni na what the sad na yere abreme say look at what your wife is doing. I was now madam for me didn't come on no case me tell me a friend of mine your father am for a chair now when he will be called out seriously I'm call out in the chair pa no one say what is going on is not helping so he decided to break up with the person then he pana threat the wife I do messages everything I send it oba no a total of friend phone so come on di na mom yin recording ya no dey ama oba no so these are some of the things that it is breaking on as nyame am mama man komu bia kwani na yiri ni ntemu yere
meaning say nipa kon motive no the buying was something it wasn't positive. So what make keep records of more time and mo de wo nyina
not what me keep records but there's something that because it's not easy to say goodbye to somebody you love and for somebody you love to accept say just goodbye you know, it's not easy and people react because of some kind of pains you am or film many will go out what be pen me so be perfume trans me say what you are doing is not right so I decided to break up with you who jam ya brame nye madwen and obe jam dey be creative problem by then e wo fee o tena me chana say and there is a we social media anko problem bi ko ni problem o peja woto peja won sana me hwe da wachi ma me hwe wanim kakra ma me nye se de bia me kase when won obi ko out no kase nye phone sex akan say wonya normal or a big problem psychologically that person is not sound. You say now why but in our physical world I don't think say wait me share be ma na wo gina no ntu gina was a fair woto no afi ma wona so
Mama G sir
yes will you do that it's impossible what I mention say
if it is impossible e woni pa nanimu a adent na man ye possible of phone so
let me tell you something about phone. As someone wontimi can one-on-one, phone say easy so betimi aka. And come on wontimi ni one-on-one looking to somebody's eye on phone waiting the panel akasa. So people find it easy to propose to people on phone and also on text than so in the year one because nyame bo ni pono de bedua yemu a ya na enye easy and ma abo hu nipa odwan no. And nyame ammo nipa sa abo hu na wonche no. No matter what abo hu nipa hu eto so. Ti nipa bia nyame de honhum bi adua wo mu a so obo se suban so ne se so ti there's a little god in you ya na eto da nipa sa little god no but people find it difficult some be reacting on be until go say oh menimo wan fere mpo wonti say obi me gino pa no ka say tie nipa no meaning say there is something that what say dey be ye hindrance it break you from not reacting. And that is the Spirit of God. That is in you. So, what I mean, so there is a little God in you. And nuntina, if you command that, a year a juma. What did I mention?
Timpacho, Nkofo bebre na sa asam ya can phone sex na adi through social media as set a trap amo mama bebre go bin so jada ne fie. Na omunim se enye na gusu cheche yet obi on my ko bubu nu egu na so. Obi on so wate ho asem pen ensusu gusu ye. Edi entia.
It's
is there anything like spiritual adi there chira na nipa su ne na adwen?
Let me tell you something about this universe. There is a lot of nyemebia a woman you can't see with your naked eye. It contains a lot of spirits. But for somebody to go to the point of so you naked, social media, and also would you trap pictures? If you want found no run when it's not normal. Me mamuti easy so bit my room. So it is a one thing. Your honey on the foot to be a banabia, one be able to key, no your foot to. No, you know for go, Jimama. No, I don't know man in Paro. The spirit that is in you, no, will not allow you. The Holy Spirit will not allow you to do that thing. So before somebody can go to that point of doing that, you know, not the spirit, your friend, the spirit of Jezebel. And you know, me treaty the spirit of Jezebel. Jezebel, you may do any business.
In fact, any of my baby or dada, so for na ma obi, a corner be row, be moo, ma obi, Timmy boy, Jamine, so for be by yen your mabians and fatal, be come, I say. Or some creative confusion, really pantomime, Tawantawa, never be.
And now I saw the spirit of command or commanding nipa. What I mean, so at times, o question will be on ya dear in your pa. Uzo be booting me fu or bow or run home. What I mention, or baby to me pan. Last time, quite so, ne or bar, so no coupa, we are kitty, no beneda. And you know, a democrat will be no doubt, Robin Magazine, be a men penny say. Member so be home, so be so appointed, hey. Whom not be found at the point say on ferry BBA. Can we say you can't do that? What I mention as on farm. Will be around or baby no bonnet to no banner for Jim Bram and Pidgin, some oh, yeah, my boy, we are Miss Nufu, we are me, you say. What I mean, good dear, will be to me back me lesbian. I don't care, no, I can't, me girlfriend. No, I can't, not girlfriend, not be a wookie, sino, I want to if sound woman, you more Juma, or ferry. It is same was any pan or cow when nearly pay moon. He's being influenced by the spirit of Jezebel.
Cinema will be a nurse, a so far blame on Manco phobia,
and you one, and you know, and you know, and your forces.
Daddy, if I show will be to me yet be out of love. So we in the home.
I would say it's out of Jimmy. It's out of Jimmy. If you love somebody, you command that person to do that.
That the new panel commander to say be a boha neire. No, cast Nick
on
no, but I say out of love.
And your love out of Jimmy. To win him now, why never could cast out? I said, Daddy say, Jimmy.
Maybe not a
if you love your wife, if you love your husband, oh man, in yes, idea. And online now we are here saying, and then baby, and then make them say my car. O call Facebook for data swap. I will. O call more. Your friend say, "Missy data." Almost system.
Yeah, obi operating.
Nippon operate. And two pictures now that was sending in a wall. A for baby answer. What I measure? Until I told out to me send photo. No, I'm blocking. I said this photo. Yeah, my own send the beam. Obe so view photo. Be na Facebook for na because I'm blocking. So my own beam. Do you know the reason why? We been at home. And the book full crow bit me doom. What did I mention? I say, and no, Obika says, I don't think any pan do. And there are people where they are falling into, or more falling into that traps. That's that so-called love, no. I mean, then I use you. What I make answer? And to be on me do, oh, me, my feel, me ha me waha, since what for me abra. Wouldn't me my wife for me, and yet the bema, and I saw the last, and many pa. What did I mention? I say, it's me the last. Nipa no go to the point that he said, "Oh, you which the Ukraine, you which the way you side na." I feel when you be my then next thing I'll be find ways and means to do that. And do you know that thing? Do you know that thing?
So be funny panichi.
Nyenechi.
Well, okay, so said that so be kwa ko pebi o we so ahwe.
We ko pebi o online.
Ahwe. Okay. Na say addiction to me bem.
Addiction to me bem. Addiction to me bem. If you go to the online and watch the online, and even go to the bed to go to bed with a lady, or online. Oh yes, ultimately, obey what down online. Oh yeah, obey bit what down. But must be what down online. Now, and your spirit, what I imagine as and your spirit na a show. I don't know be to me obi dama sebi no hoti me standing and hoti me ba. Abeni pani ne nchen. And a psychological thing. Adwene no ne timi ko toto ne ma bi so ana obi timi side na to the point say if you do say aware mu no ne be ma da no no ba da enye ne da biem. What did I mention? I said, God bless you.
Amen. Yes, worry, also you're very careful about
yes.
na mentias say say at least there should be some limitation was on social media no because we are here can obi atimi be irrespective of the age of the person obi on monye ware for obi a osua afi no wa sha ase si brand so afi no hu ni o ma bi so no so sha ase with pornography ni o ma bi ase eye we enye say nka ye exposed to some age be under age for no tell the no ma there should be some limitation. I didn't know money no my any to say
oh so Facebook
you will get it.
No Facebook no or more limitation age wa wunya you don't have right to come to Facebook. Who just what young bisa age oh
but I can lie. I can lie
say ono dia waye to prevent such name. What are the Facebook when we bu a enu say was it nnechi me my lawyers e delete obi was it Monday and me hwe Facebook e mama so obi or a friend o me nim kwakro be ya me friend mpu me hwe ne eno mo friend say status as
the
story mo as eno mo ba ko no aba na hem naked o oba ane da ho timu yanam so won hwe ni pakro na me man ne igilate me from the friends oba na hem me ni no
Opaduma.
And I wouldn't say that was an answer. It was on. Then you are not crossing the side too. Not maybe a way January or no this out for tonight. I'm attacking and I bet yes, I did. I mean to sign him and your man say, BBC, mammy pictures, he says, don't do them. One you be more common,
especially with
naked ones.
Pictures.
Yes.
Wow.
What did I mention? I say, you know, we should be careful na yenye yema yeni day.
And na hono mo.
Nti be ya yinti.
Nti patransa na abeto aso so bi I addicted to sadie kan kwan be no be fa so be free.
Counselor ne mpaibo. Also man na need da hono bo mpai. Nipa ni here deliverance na everyday etimi ai day. Aje no say yonkofo bi so mo they are engaging social media. Ai hono mo no so per se will have sex or so be on woko. To the point of getting his short orgasm. No be ba, ni be je, or be make fun, or be the we are no ada. And it is so ne or ba ada na ni be my eden ada. It be also a lesbians, any homosexual no more site. If you go there, maybe and they do you know one funny thing? Now almost so see a cat. If you some year chunk of almost the importance of being a gay. What I measure say almost will group almost church or Yama. So now we need to educate the public. So they should be very careful. They shouldn't entertain such Yama. What I measure? They not make us all dinner. Minimum confess obey madam for. And a Facebook minimum say if there is another means if you say how bear madam for say I don't know.
Because I do it my co-page and be madam for.
So now you want to accept it.
Accept
What I mention I say yes we are down for you no accept it. Ti saa de ni nyina na ye kire. Ti em fa say the make say me ba na kofaye ana ko Facebook ko hu saa de no a. What I mention I say nti no ade bi a we should be very careful.
That is not just about Facebook no. I was a parent so me be say oba no age bi a. Debi that's the one thing na me ne obi ka ade very dangerous. The type of akwara with the phone name no. And the reason you're giving the phone to that person. They probably be life as say because of so-called phones they are me. What the major say? So-called phones no. Never be brave. Phone na me dia ma wo no. Me motive dey. If it is core, dear Quentin was no me use me ma phone me use. First, me fear na landline. I will call on landline. You didn't come here, you Michelle, my money be engaged. I will phone. Whereby your school yadi, and I make sure, I make sure, say they will use the phone for what is right. What's a major answer? I don't know the whole day so about the phone in Zanka. The whole day, about in Zanka the phone. What's a major answer? He's into IT. I was saying, Nema, we. By no crime, making sure say over time. We just bit my transform the whole day. What the man? And the phone of the man made them something, no so compare them. say 30 million and I say 14 million. Ti what the 8 million.
3,000 away.
Well, what say what the 8 million ko to so no nya den. Na down for say massa 10 cities, 1 city now they did 3.8. They can use car. No to nya 3.8. That's the 3.8 ni nyina. E 5 wo come na 8 million akopɛ to 40 to 50 million. Akwan me dwene ho meye me dwene ho me nyam se massa. Se bonspo ya wadom no dia. Wo de 3 million what? Oh, they make phone now, the amount by then or day. Abia is a chacha no auto. Young friend to nchen phone idea man, Abia will come. A couple with Nima dear. I dear winning team because of my phone. Meaning to the make out to myself, with Nima didn't because of my phone. And a phone or the year course. No, the phone no didn't come in and say, what did he? I could there be on any telephone and ring. Mokrano, me may. Mwa muso mo phone ring nyina ye bom pa ye kura na me wo a me very careful about them. Obi an phone ring go pick bia we suspect. Wo phone ring. We are very sure. Wo so dey ring. Ebi mo phone ring. Woni ni party woni ukunu te woni oyere te. If we are going out with someone the phone dey bia and ring and vibrate. Ebi okura. Eni ni so nya hwe. E wo ho anu anu akohwe eni no. No aye calls. And guess what was on that to silent. Na bra bomu na no onye silent but the phones are silent.
Like
there is a motive behind what he is doing. Say we get to how when I saw hear the phones no so be afra no afa kira me bow no koye call no aba. Who say the phone ring so how when okay you sir mate fine 2 3 okay next is the 2 the 3 so come no can say by between 2 and 3 we so come 2 one no aka 3 you okay 2 me too we me too nya kasa I love you we didn't love about 20 I can't love you too be problem was me too
yes mo
no daddy boy is no cry dey be was 1 4 3 1 I love no your 4 letters you 1 4 3
and why you boy that I don't know about him
about social media
1 4 days I love you I see I say 2 2 4 na not 2 4 okay
yeah some papa pacha some be chere ma gen say obu ani kunu ntu kwan ni wi ntu kan wa haye na so ni we da ni nchen da bia o person hunu eso still na ni je say okọ social media ko have this way say no so chen say obeba ni wi na ni kunu ni nchen di enti ade na twe na agire ma ko and so your spirit
and it's a spirit yeah just be a spirit tonight me sanema spirit of lust na sanema on say obi o wa je bi am advising for say you will marry couples around omo pornography
omo yenu nyina
oba na nyina omo so ye hwe keke obi eni ho a ye kwa kire ni se de ni obi da ho course a wotimi ni se de ni obi da nti se bi me de be ma me de me be ma ni ko ba ni hwenim na me de wura na som na me de wura ni tirimim no I believe so when it comes to sex a determination imagination a creation the way I will control system no and control sex no and to intimate correct so will be no there will hear the TV so na hear the monitor wey screen so e acting and the baby a star bi na de ba o ma ye ne be ye 30 minutes 40 minutes 1 hour na what na wo hwe no nipa akuna ne da o ye sure say be ma betima se oba so 1 hour wo betima da hwa and be ma da for 1 hour it's impossible ya editing o ma editing and e twatwa de asisi so obi tim page obi no di trim ya hwe na pam ne na hwewim na ne trichi for ono oni abekwan o o mensere oni abekwan oni abekwa oni kontombre oni abekati konto oni anwamo ani meko ko bi nka ho eyemura no wawe enti mabema nkopeja onfa na hwem no fa wutiri hwefom de donko a unye no abodam mamu nsiro mamu nka so odo na oka so odo out of love after obo se na fa ukuru de me wa no abadadi adan a ye dem na hwe wiem na you did me 3 C for my bottom.
As no can no say to be a marriage sometimes you need to sacrifice. Say be
marriage is sacrifice and find piamin ko. Marriage is sacrifice. I mean can say sacrifice say ma wo kunu fa
mama bi say oba na be ma na neneti no eno ne ade a na say there is this particular ade bi onu ayo so be me na ni age but it is beyond your strength. I also sacrifice your man for the sake of unhappiness. Yes, I did be a maintain me one say misunderstanding e wo fie.
Okay, my main case am dear don kwa na ade oba.
Obi say you so be a de ope.
Yo, me very sorry say me can't answer. Me just an ampe. Me dem you tumofo. Oh, yeah, some man wa kwapa aka say. San ampe dey take for me nya sem bi aka. Me manage dey say san ampe. Ti no mo yi money. Se ye de na be hwewiem na ni 3 AC form.
Enye ni say
69.
But so
yes sacrifice. Me say ebi wo hɔ a wodo nan ahwewiem ana wo 3 C form. Ada no de abroso. What me tell you say? Wo say you say me makasa ba marriage akwa say sacrifice. It's sacrifice. Man sacrifice for na ko wiem. Na tin hwefo.
So we person we esi. O person we ni beji.
Mate. Ah. Oh munya do mo ni beji.
Ava, you say on say they na can say, o say marriage na for mumu mienu. It's about you both more na say na mo agree. No mo so say na person ye no. E say no wo ntimi nya de nko apenkwa na we so ntimi ti mumienu de beboa mumienu nyina na mo.
Meba, se wo no utri na hwe form no. Motian meba, motian de na meka. Wo na hwewiem. Ana utri hwe. Se wo no, wo si ane na wo pa oya ye ma no. Ba media me say wo di abekwan. Wodi nkatekwan, wodi mekodi abekatekonto, wodi meku anwamo a mekugu so. Tu so do utri be si form. Wo bebu dambalis. Na hwewiem a media me nkase sei. What I mention say. But say out of love now more can say wo so dome a. What I mention. Mama tell you about sex. Wo your sex any pan in your section no. Na ni ngi sex na wo ye ho I would advise you to quit. Men you selfish. Sex and your one partner. The 2. And the 2 should accept it. This a movie and the American 69 no. Who be na wa accept it there. I don't have any problem. But wo ye ni plan na ya de no like nothing can on ninje. Obebi create me da ho na be ma na da. No hu se ni ko na da. There wasn't any touch, there wasn't anything. Be ma na se open wa wi. What I mean, me ma ni bi oba no won touch no. When you play romance, there wasn't any kiss, there wasn't anything, there wasn't any touch. What I mean, no so buy ya fam. Well, yeah, no buttery so we are not sorry, no could carry. What did I mean? Say, do you understand what I'm saying? And I'm telling you something. What tell you about Sa? What? Munti se mema. Enti de oyi oba na ni begie no to oba no me di traffic from ube wan say na best satisfy no oba no unsatisfy na then ade na wo say we yes sir.
Yes, selfishness ya be.
So yes say ya selfishness abem. Entu ye show so be ma wo sister obi do wo sister tie si form.
Oh, bonen ben. Bonen ben.
Enye easy. Ana abrofo na ye ka kasa omo ye saa de na omo ye omo konfa so omo ne mo. Wo te de me che ya say. Last time na oba mo hwe ade be no omo hwirihwiri nkrofo bi hwirihwiri ekosoro abrofo nkromu hwiri no mkosoro
no ka say
wo betima ye bi
de bi da
ti san na kohia be ma ho ahwe obeyede
yo betima I mean to me
wontimi nye entu wuku kase eju ukunu entu oba ne se omo hwiri kosoro bo ma ha mu civil no wo su koye bia wo tell me na oni mu na wo so na wiye ya yedu koji entu no do oba na wo ma onya ade a ne nye de enjoy say o force wo repu bi wonya ready no repu no I'm telling you what the obenya cats nyema be psychologically there will be psychological or be traumatized because at the end be share so meaning say make am more time say it should be understanding and sana ya kutu sana mo no style we my preso style we dey say yes hwibaru and the person here yes 69 yes doggy crocodile na dey all fall down and you know staffs ni nyina wa accept it what the major say also better what na so wada ho watena ne so be na da ho na we den wotene so imagine so obi ti say sister no ko wari sister na so be ma wo da ho metena wo so a wotene me say yes but e bia o stay our pen no but sister metena so what will you do
obewu nti ko ahome
dem ana watene me say enu ntene me nya selfish na so yourself any sister so e bia so wotena be ma so ne ni je ho a enu so ntia so akofa be ma fia na beto na wotene so say kura oda ota pa no what and men are selfish when it comes to sex. You shouldn't be selfish. Okay. And the walk I for a question when you're at the buy. Please share. Yen share video no na ebeboa bebre. Why share no be so share. What question be a obetimi the question no. Aba. Na ye be say test question na e be answer. To obetimi the questions no aba. Na ya answer questions no obetimi da ba. On say me ba before then on say na me carry be say wa ma oyere da ho. Oyere na oda ho no. Wo wani gese wo beye wo online da so no ba dey na wo say wo yes ana mre bia na so no obi be wa no so utimi steady no obi wa no wa ye sad wo wura sad me you see be me use the word wa ye addicted to it wa ya ma spirit na ba be wura no to wa ro kra na won fa ho bi what the mean that say won fa ho bi ono ne de ne say de oya na ni beje no eno na wo ye den oye which I think say enye papa biasa amen God bless you
amen patronum bisa say baby I say discussing to me for we meshim kakane and na oba ne be man agree some be have sex no they should discuss it as in the activities the nyoma be involved during no intercourse no discuss it
kabiem
patron person say before some you know be kan bo na some you agree the mutual consent ni beba say mumienu mo kwakoda no mo discuss whatever will happen within an anim
say ye be style we
say mo discuss oh ye be say we di kan you ready say nipa no say no say to we ma adwene ready say some discuss
I mean what dey be anya possible
okay
say but my mean we was I'm a counseling prostitute bi na prostitute ka say me kire dia wo ka no ebiye but obi obeka se no ye that discussion no a prostitute prostitution no obe kire say usu pese ya ne boy yise usu pese ya eyise do pe bia na the 69 obitima ye cause we charge 69 e bia 69 e bia all fall down be 40 was na hwibaro so yama baby be 60 na dogi so de yama be bi a memfa be 30 bi on tell me jan prostitute bit me discuss but I don't think say ana woni obeware wi a na woni oyire no e be ye fan ana na oyire no be timu apa na mo be tinia ne ade mo timi di nkomo to that level ba menye sure say mo kono na wo ka say kwa ye kwani ye kwa ya de we anakwa yekwani kwa yadi ana obi so wa obetimi ebia movie and obetimi hu star bi se ne kan na o se meye ne pa accept yenye ende mumye na mo se mo ye den mo ye o de me che wote ma se aha mumye na mo se mo ye ende different
okay
me kai say na me read book bi na no o ma star like positions ba me position ma stressa na me position ma me stress say Ghana be ma be na ka so nya di obeye ba bruni waye ayi wadene nsa waye se superman what I mention as wadene nsa chekere ho asisi down said ye na nsa na yire da na oba ne da ho no ne da be ma ka jobe be mo mfa nsa press up ade de nkwa no ope be ma ne achekere di chen abone na ne di chen abone nsa ne achekere nan na oba ne the belt otwa ne ketenkete bi na oda ho no janke di na be ma nda ho no sa naked o na oba na ba be tena ne so Ghana ni be ma be achekere won nsa na oba ne ma dwena won ntire nya so won pene owie no otwa gyatum a boni nche abani patrimo entino wo de chen ba kokoro boy sister de o kan ko no he you wo de bo we my sister ye me na mbae ba bro ni o me ye chekere na oba ne de you know the bo oye mu no de twelechi no ye see no massage no be mo be bo bia Ghana ni be ma what the antwa bedroom say o ma me antete ne sa
okay
so eti sane mana e wo Facebook net me lead obi man cheat on partner
bebre already the way in social media oh you know cry is cheating yeah e cheating patcho yen share wo question bi abetimi ebisa
patcho say na won free we na discuss it me bisa say oba ne be ma e wo honom na say after sex is good some oba discuss after
yes ana ade no ye nso ani anje ho a obetini na kan ade o ye mepra wo tell me chirasi ade o ye mepra ntimi bi obetimi ka achiro
obo so na asembi won ma ne kan ya ne din
awarium oh ena tra ho enu se won kan no utin so hiem
asem ko
oh no oni bem oni praba be ye one what the two become one as mo ba be father for be nti ade we no ye no me no menye and unim se Ghana for my problem se Ghana ni ba be ka kire be ma se bia me kondo se ye na obechira de ye ntokwa obechira ye ntokwa we se du atem na bia se wo bo ne bi na enena kwa akobem eden sa na yeso ye culture no ayeye ebe ye den so obeka se me kunu be pese me no ehia bibiri ntimi only few anything I need request the request the member request but enya sa so na etie oba ne pa be me no so woye be ma ne pa o so ba e ma no agisa me koka me kukura betima ka se bu anhia be ma onim nyansa obega me kokko beka se mini suban what me obega okra bi owo ayi bi a opeso kire e betimi de anigye aba ana owade obetimi ayewo obetimi abrasho obetimi ayosiam woni agye ba me koye be ma beka se me kura masai mini suban ba wo ye na anigye aka wo fro na se eda wo ta gina fro ana me boa enti wo ye na so de besie ni ade a wo ha ho wo enti no saa de ma mo mfa nhye mu ba ye one so kon de na because to de ma minni the same thing na wo pese o ye isu a eno so betimi aka ntu nya be ma na ni ate a na ni da fo ma we gentle enye problem
na de on say a member na mostly no propose to a man but see through social media oba ti me propose to be ma o crash wo no right
media will advise you say it's not right because social media people propose to no nim no real what I mention I say we no it's not right we bet me na father for but when you go to know the person not to be propose and be buy and be man so you like about propose to wa we what I mention obema se be mo bite me eye bold ka jo so pew now you be a wani gine ho a we
no we assessing
and that they right
we need problem
in your social media cry
oh who obi na wo pe no a
obai obetima
yes ni nyanse pa ni nyansani wonye nyansani na se obetima na kwagina abonten ayre aka so oba bi pe me no oba bi sisi toto hu nyanse toto se na be wo oba oba hu be ma be se ne pe hu so be ma nyansani nyesa dia wawu obi abete wo hu ade na efe se wo hu be ma bi na pe be ma no wani gina oye wo taste oye wo class where you be like you feel like going out with or baby and be man ma say mo pe be mo presentable be ma ye de kire be mo se be ma o se fata be mo se fata o se se ye de ne chia be obi enfa ne chia ye de ne chia o ma mi na no nkoma na me wudi na abrante no ni o enkomo ben o ntimi nka ma mo se na me kase me kase ndi a kire o de me ba abrante ye bedi nko road na twem abrante so ye driver abrante so ne neti abrante so ye ododo abrante o ntimi nka se me ni pani ni Mama, oh, nanu nkomo na need no. Okay.
But why any sound so enye.
Oh no. Asem na ne kan den. Dia me kan na ne kan odi na. Mama.
Aba say.
When ukunu. When we be call out. Or dress na tell the person, wo ho efe. Oba or dress na no ho efe, no ho efe. Ena mutie mo ho eden. Mo ho efe. What tell me say? Ukunu dress no why if ukunu kwaduma botai enchi akura wa hyeda so man said ya chia no no why said wo ye dem no ya do nsa fana no ho sei nice
African be bringing you know
enu nte na ye teach no oba so ya won so the same to wo why if wo tere me just what can say many pen ni be den na ni beje even kura when ye dem nkomo kura no na de he wakume Why you can't tell me any pano aye neni aye den age.
No one can swear. Oh, team, no one can swear.
We do not can be bodam. Manu go trim. God bless you.
Amen.
Oh, question be obi to me ebisa share why? Share na ade ebetimi aboy. Patcho yen share obia wo so bia share na yen hwe ade ntino say me ga kan say why you very careful wa ade we betimi mo nya big problem e be say your life obi addicted to screen so nkomodie na be wi bone ama ne nkwa say wo ye no why. Okay. Amen. Patcho ma yen nye kwa yen share.
Thank you. So we na ye kan nyina na approximation na kokofa we nyina e de aba. Ayasemu minim sese ne sititi e bibifo no ana sese ne sititi yen mami ya me aka ni timo nka ne sa eno na ma nioma bi ye din na nioma bi kaye sometimes on obi ho no obetumi aka twa so ade we wo ni tiri mo pese o ye ma ne kuna no pese o ye ma ne yewe ensusu ontumi because e wo ni tiri mo nyanko be ensusu ontumi nyempie eno ne eye ferie eye suro ana se de
tie ne say eyi ni pasu. But when it comes to marriage, try say ade bia a bit my papa no. Ye, the bit my bonem jaye. Ade e beka wo yire ni beje, ade wo kan kura ni beje bia no kan ne nje. Ne wo ya ne ni beje a wo bepe ye. De wo ya wo yire ni beje wo bepe ye. And intra me kan so kase peja na akwoso na wo ni nje na wo wie na be mu na. Why je ko peja na hwewi. Enkomodu asem fura no ba na wo kana e de bufo be ba ware ma. Don't say it. Actions we hear now before don't do it. Don't do it. And voice out. Oh, me dance like when you let the person who said the moye and agro mudi and the DJ a buy. Because any part to TV, how much more so the man of physical and now the man in real world not any and conquer. Everyone want farm money ye. I mean, show me one family here, that's what will happen. What did I mention? God bless you.
Amen. And for me, so say, you share, woody, and now share. Also, by discussing topic being my question, woman to me, myself, but the problem bank of for baby if he so about treaty oral sex. But minimum for be on my worry.
Oral sex, men can say about it.
Mama, me question. So
if it is about oral sex, there I won't answer because it's a topic.
Okay.
And a meme, sir. It be a topic. It be treated about it. Why? Don't man will be said for two.
A better one will say, I do a way. A be my husband and our wife in Yaji.
Oh, say, you will be in you marry ho. Timini no ade also wo be ware obi ense na be ware obi so hu nipa na ade ma na neje na ade ma na nenje so hu also hu ukurubufu ade a wo be ya na ni beje also hu oyiribufu ade a be ya na ni beje na ye ma wo bu mfu mfansie nche at times ubufu wo betuma pretend ububefu just to save marriage betuma pretend ebufu no be sere na ehye omu but America come ade we wo ye mani anye dey even na mfo kra mo koi mo ye maya mo na mo ke betuma ade bi woni nje we be instant be jima me say another money ajepa modi nkomo no oh na no ade we wo ye na ma bani anje o na de ade ya smith no anya ade obi okọ bitimi obi ade what I mention say una wo hu say do ye na nipa ne bufu ba nipa ne waka do ye na enwe ha no obi osa na adwene no wa twere do akọ so the same thing na wukunu ansa na beti ye nware obi aye ni no me make say long dating eye woni pan be call out a check no steady na hu niam be brave because people pretend a lot. Etu saa de na ansa na ebe ware wo hu ne wo pe wo hu ne wo mpe wo se meja ana mo kwa mo ba no betima form no wo form no de oyeye wo form be me wa bobo chinchina gay so na me ware obo so ni be me bi gina wa bo wo di watem wa kofa kosu akura ti bodua so nse wo pa wo so no na obewa but so bi a wan chesa ansa na ye wa no ware wi wontimi ntese ho nyame antesa na so na abeze sana se na ke kan wo be bre pa what the meja say enti woni ni pa ne to no since I who me I was so papa na me aso isu ba na wo ha dey no study for papa me ho
principle.
God bless you.
We come for time on Yambro.
God bless you.
Adia o pesa wo ye no ka so bi nye no anya wa be wa de.
God bless you.
Wow.
So Yes, and it's true. And you shady pa. And then I'm in K. A didn't come obi. And a K can say there's not about Jemama. And make a Mr. Mahmoud the same thing. I did be a baby, I do bet to be a debate case you be an for so many. They make a wood with them. And I say, Zeal no, I say I will do it. And Paul said, I can do all things through God who strengthens me. So at times, our physical being cannot do it, but because of the God and the Spirit of God that lives in us, that is the Holy Spirit, it encourages us. It gives us extra energy. Energizes us to do things that people were not expecting us that we can do it. Look at, see, a friend said, we seen a who play what series. When we say, dear, need you who pa any issue bit me play that we will play no and what the way is strange to me. What's the imagine but obi na de man na we dey mean to me nyewe ade we dey me die no I say there be say but you can ya no aye and we are creative a gift and I check the nyame share the many pa and I have the same thing. Last week, sometimes you're sure I'm directing movie. No, I'm saying I'm directing. Script everything. Me na me ye bibia. Me na me chere ye say editing everything. Ye 24/7 we are working. Also no. And I'm saying yeah. What about the ye about titles na interpreting there. You won't believe it. And you be by the me director be friend on director. Or can
school.
Or school but onim. What the mention say? Enti no wan ware nipa no wan hunye mebi wonimu on se wonye me kunu menya wo yere yeah okay wonye me yere menya wo kunu but what me study me hu how much was be man be ware na wonti me study no ba mo ni ko hwe aware ne nko an odo no a so call love na dama no na unhu enti we study hu enzo so papa me kire wade se no anya me ma de enti di adwuma ma wa udi mirika kikiki oba be ko ma ya daddy ba be ye obeye so a problem ana daddy mfa asem ni nsie obeka di akire wo depressed. What say power? Was that in your day? So, interessant. It's when the ukrupe. Mu uko out when the nipano. Tell me to baby from so. Bearman and go out. And tell say one and now grabber. One and the bull from the bull. Who need me? We afraid my bono crown and nukum. What bread? To be an near brother saying one and any dinkum. Jan one now grabber now so guys or cra. What crab it matter who did you feel self for no you will know say ya no bonichi. With that trouble didn't sell left. Pa! Okay, with 2 and more than sacrament account. Cause na good yen yet. On the sacrament. Come with me free with the tip in no ye say. Son and party, I thought they beat me call off. Nippans will beat me call off. One we are not any boof. And last time I catch you will be or call off when your mentions be no call off. When your mentions be no off, when your mentions be no call off. Think what did the man may catch no or yeah, and I'm saying. When your mentions be na wo yes said for no him din daddy na pacho e na am say na say me ba no what say me chana say me ba no e na me man minimum o me ro ho mfa nche ba minimum bia sika ba mo kra no de wi mo ye munya new friend de wi mo ye course bo bu anu mu na ne phone tie na ete wo se wo mo stress ama ne new phone wo se wonam na kra no ye say ya so phones that and babu baby I would friend on that was a phone that baby be papa kakebe no afa no afa animu no afa pe animu eh na no obi a sheda abo me phone ha phone me de ma o me hu de ye say ha twitwi no afa phone wa selfie no twa what I make chana say na wonu so obi ni phone quote me tena fie obi ni phone onya phone na no afa cause business aba. God bless you.
Amen. But you say brand bit here me come here the faith no na eja.
Yeah. And be guilty. The nature of online behavior. I will say something that is adia nipa enyina ehuni different. What I imagine I say? The quality of being open to more than one interpretation. What I imagine I say?
ade ba ko bobi and the way o show dey uhunu that is social media what I mention as should I me mu editing picture bia
something ko onye
me hu so obey sa editing me ba ko obi na ye bia anokra na ye no bia na nya sa me ye o mo say wo ye be je say color ni adaba me hu sa de ni bi enense na me hu akwada ketua bi obi a panyin no ayi ni market akwada ketua na so we don ko ya say me say ne so na say o mo de na ye hwan no share space
5 years earlier
me ne bra
ya samu ye huna mani o but we are so do the ade say to mo ye de be pie tini no me go say na o sete pre ko
say na ade ba ko ehun ni say ade we ko to so a emma always you know many people relationship or we mu ni say relationship is not unfair it's not fair abe unfair and when say the partner is not faithful abe unfaithful do you know the reason why the expectations you know abe done mo tell me chana say enu ntino ni nipa bia be ware mo be ko abe de na social media mo hu mo try as much as possible so be ba mo be hia mo be di nkomo bo hu ni temperament isu ne ban ne wo ye eni ade obu okura me ka say obo pa what I mention say but wu mu so obo da afo mne nwi na waye sam what I mention ne kasa nye ene pa obi ana ne kasa o kasa rough wa wonimu o kasa anyhow obae me ye feeling entino se na me me mesi o mse me mesi
so obi ni mobili shop na ko abi
and oye ya na keko bi sa ne say mpacho wo hwe obi asenka bibia wo gina yen asase so
yes I say question
e bi say senka bibia wan kan so no say ye wo ma be gina acha say mo ye adwuma wa ne be gina e bi kura ni hia machine na mo de adwuma na wo be dey wa hu look at this ti we be ka kire me massacre de man ka hwe ne mgina wa ti later on am say guy ba akuru ka omo mini no wo ye madwuma da we mesi ni ana bisa no so na omo pe omo e bi ko ye adwuma bi na me so wo fere he o say ko papa on the problem we free telling about na mo so miti na me say we free telling about burger to obi hu say me sesa na tia say me twe na tiu say me ye dan o to uboga we dey and am say me so me frɛ he o so papa so dey America me so kwa wuti tu kwan pa na am say ye the guy and the driver can no ye no say oh sir o wait till entro ube o ye me rough me nka say honye but don't look down upon people o wa brochiri nyon kwa obu Italy obuade obu Italy oye respectful obu Italy matra Italy da obren ho ase matra Italy Russia matra Italy almost 6 years what I mention I say but let me tell you something who from brochira ba that does no mean so be hu obi a ti driver no boy nka so for this one to kwan kwa brochira ba sa kwa brochira ba oh sa na me teno omo ye adwuma wa ho beba this of kopake ho de mensa obebi o ye adwuma no be park ne ka so wo mu ade a krama yeso mu ade a enye borgadwo what I mention say eni ntino esu a ye ka bie ni wo hu no we boga wa ba so be wa no but o mu ade I'm telling nipa bi mu ade o espa chefo ne bi mo hwe ba me ka to say abuchefo no bi su brom ho ase ebu ade abuchefo ne bi buade papa make us go kwa ya kra nche so bi atena Italy for so many years on kwa Italy ko timi for ko US eba London etu kwan kwa kura bia wo be ba Ghana nko an be bia wo ba Ghana so be kra ma Ghana kuro bia mo ba Kumasi so am Kumasi say adum bant man ko to man sa patrapa bukanchi nyin chance asase wo tell me jana say wa be jina me masa so ba be yero masa ase bo no wo de no wan de na wo so o payment tokwa su mfre urade
to feel nyame sure papa eda wase say sa akonya iso de cheche ma yani eda wa do fom pacho ya da masenya mi hya mo bebe se de aka ne guso esua e de 10 8
yeah questions in mra
soma awarigo wona wo court wona wo date no enam soma entem tete enkofo ntam tete na tete obisa wo se adintia eno marketing kiti anu obu ani aguso na onim no eno na de sa problems nyina eba wade adoma ye Sunday ebe pacho na meguso a kai wo asan asero se nyame pe me de yenim na wo chepepepe 5th December 2020 yen papa ye Apostle H.O. Fredi Ajima ne papa ne mpon ye nana ana eda form a yame adoma Saturday be na otwe ye me de yenim na otwe ye kwakope ne kwa branti to ensa for Bible so na wo sune no nsumum etu edru brese ya esese etimi ba ne de odo ebebo odom ne de baka awenchiche sem ede to yen papa mu ne etimi emmeka se wonyame. Okay, me pacho nyame adomo a metume nsa from awemfi. Me pacho nyame pa Sunday at 7 a.m. we start nase for salvation here. We be discuss acceptability. Here the 10 A's and the to 6 the seed A and eba be kan acceptability in social media negatively no. Ya baba be share ni ehu kwan be fa so betimi aso enoma bi ano na ye de ye ato ye na ma asudji enso so abayentem. Awawe mu courtship mu dating obesere na me so masere. Me de wase bebre me sere video no share no obia ensa entumi enka bi mesre o mesai ka so se unko aso bia metumi ensa frɛ aba Praise Baptist Church International oyeta no so odu apatapagya nhina wosi a so wo pe bebi omo no ansa no ye wo nsa ni faso wo no ma metumi ensa frɛ kwasi ada ebia ye wo ha no pa 8 wo ha Tuesdays bia so panyin so tena se e counseling ti mesre se obetumi a bra metumi ensa frɛ nyame sho bebre wade aduma kwasi ada ebehia me se me de edi anim ne na wotwe nso me no mienu ye besa abom ni asa ehia ne yakwakoja ye nana yakwakope ne kwa bra kwa me da wase unya ba na ne yakone du ya do me ne sister
Jimaima enchi
ye da masempacho
serious.
Oh, empenyi forces anko for here de ye ntinti ye besan e de aba behim today's marriage series na ye no mesra say emfa ye ho nhim megidi se wo ho bebre bi on ma sa won ti ase ebo mode bia so betimi afre apostle no obisa de e pese ye kire ana wo ye nyina so na de toto abra bo ho de toto awa wiem relationship mu na wo discover some of the mistakes ye ni ni ho so ye me play role sister ye play role mistakes bia wo ma wiem me ye bia wo so ye bia emwa mistakes bia se do twa so nim se na chia enti wo na wo hwe me no obehu me phone so bia na wo ye bi but na onim se enye enti hwe ne sua de papa so fa ne fa free mo mesro YouTube Apostle Fred Ministry ni nyina wo ho bo mo de bia kwa subscribe your videos ni nyina onsa ebetumi aka nyame aduma every enanwumen sa hwe anim today's marriage episode 5 to aso aba enti enko ba bia edu ho no ma hwe ne share no bia nsa enti ntwa bi da wasa
Omomba so